Mamata Banerjee had said that TMC will be extending outside support to the INDA alliance to form the government at the centre. Mamata Banerjee has also said that some people have misunderstood her statement. She says that she remains a part of the alliance and that the alliance was in fact her brainchild. She reiterated that they remain together on a national level and the same will continue. Mamata Banerjee has also clarified that while the TMC is a part of the INDIA bloc, in West Bengal, TMC is fighting against its partners CPM and Congress. Okay, so there you've heard it. Mamata Banerjee now providing some clarification on the statement that was made by her, wherein she said that she will extend outside support to the INDIA alliance. We're now being told that Mamata Banerjee has clarified. She says that her statement has been misunderstood and that she continues to remain a firm part of the INDIA bloc at the national level. However, she has also highlighted that she is currently fighting against both CPM and the Congress party in Bengal. My colleague Renik Datta with us on the broadcast. Renik, if you can take our viewers through the details of what Mamata Banerjee has said.
देखिए, ममता बनर्जी की तरफ से ये इंडी गठबंधन को लेकर बार बार से जो बयान दिया जा रहा है, इसमें साफ है कि इंडी गठबंधन को लेकर ममता बनर्जी कोई चिंता भावना कर रहा है, क्योंकि एक तरफ ममता बनर्जी की तरफ से कहा जा रहा था कि मैं बाहर से इंडी गठबंधन को सपोर्ट करूंगा, यानी टीएमसी की तरफ से बाहर से इंडी गठबंधन को सपोर्ट करके इंडी गठबंधन का सरकार तैयार किया जाएगा, ऐसा ममता बनर्जी का कहना था। दूसरी तरफ ममता बनर्जी की तरफ से कल भी इंडी गठबंधन को लेकर बयान दिया गया, उनकी तरफ से कहा गया कि ये जो इंडी गठबंधन है, ये इंडी गठबंधन का जो आइडिया, वो आइडिया ममता बनर्जी का ब्रेन चाइल्ड है और इसी वजह से इंडी गठबंधन के साथ उनका जो संपर्क लेकर चर्चा चल रहा है, उसमें वो चर्चा का कोई जरूरत नहीं है। ममता बनर्जी और टीएमसी इंडी गठबंधन के साथ था और इंडी गठबंधन के साथ ही रहेगा, मगर पश्चिम बंगाल में इंडी गठबंधन का कोई सिलसिला नहीं दिखा जा रहा था, क्योंकि टीएमसी और कांग्रेस के बीच में जो गठबंधन होने के बाद था, वो पहले ही टीएमसी की तरफ से ठुकरा दिया गया था। कल अधीर रंजन चौधरी की तरफ से भी ममता बनर्जी का ये बयान को लेकर कमेंट किया गया था। अधीर रंजन चौधरी की तरफ से भी स्पष्ट कर दिया गया था कि ममता बनर्जी जिस तरीके से इंडी गठबंधन को लेकर बयान दे रहा है, उसके ऊपर भरोसा नहीं है कांग्रेस का, और अधीर रंजन चौधरी की तरफ से स्पष्ट कर दिया गया था कि ममता बनर्जी के ऊपर कांग्रेस भरोसा नहीं करेगा। मगर उसके बाद ही ममता बनर्जी की तरफ से इंडी गठबंधन को लेकर जो बयान दिया गया है, उसमें से साफ है कि ममता बनर्जी चाहते हैं कि फिर से इंडी गठबंधन के साथ जो गठबंधन में टीएमसी का हिस्सा रहे, और टीएमसी की तरफ से ममता बनर्जी खुद ये इंडी गठबंधन को सपोर्ट करने के लिए तैयार है और आफ्टर इलेक्शन इंडी गठबंधन को टीएमसी की तरफ से सपोर्ट किया जाएगा, ऐसा भी ममता बनर्जी का ये कहने से मालूम पड़ता है।
Okay. All right, there you've heard it. Raman Malik of the BJP also with us on the broadcast. Raman Malik, Mamata Banerjee there clarifying that she continues to remain a firm part of the INDIA bloc. Does the bloc somewhere, does the BJP feel that it could lead to a division of votes?
No, it is only and only now, you have to understand. When it comes to their ulterior motives, all of these ingredients of the Indie alliance, they are so motivated for their self-contentment that they are ready to do anything. Whether it is Mamata Banerjee, whether it is Arvind Kejriwal, you remember, Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab is abusing Congress. In Delhi, they are fighting together. How can you do that? Or for that matter, D. Raja's wife fought against Rahul Gandhi in Wayanad, and now D. Raja is going to Raebareli. So the sense of elevated understanding is phenomenal. The best part is that Mamata Banerjee says that Rahul Gandhi is a fool. And then she's ready to lead the way. Now you must understand, it is only about surviving this election and garnering votes, that is the primary concern. They have no other idea except this, that somehow we should win. जैसे हिंदी में कहते हैं ना, येन केन प्रकारेण हमको जीतना है, because it is a matter of survival. Because if they do not survive this, then their businesses, the politics that they're doing, it is basically a business identity. Even Aam Aadmi Party is nothing more than a business identity of Kejriwal and company. So all of these people are running businesses. They are not doing any public service. And they want that their business should not collapse. That is why they will keep doing anything and everything just to garner some seats and become relevant. One, rest, if they are not relevant in the central elections, then their regional aspirations get depleted. That is the biggest concern for them. So you must look at it with the vision that this is primarily to save the private firms that they have, and that is about making money. You know, if you start looking at it with this perspective, I would request your viewers to kindly see the number of, the total number of parties having various MPs, MLAs, list them out, and divide it by the amount they've received through the electoral bonds. You will be surprised. You will be actually surprised, because the ratio per elected member of TMC, of Congress, of SP and others is way high, is way higher than that of the BJP.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.